स्वर और मात्राएं, स्वर और मात्राएं. स्वर means vowels and matrae means the sign. Clear? Swar or matrae, that means the vowels and its sign. I'm going to read out the alphabets of all the vowels and you listen it carefully, okay? Listen the pronunciation carefully. Okay, I'm going to start. Now, listen carefully, all of you. Swar or matra. Okay? The first one is We have to pronounce as A, E, E, U,
Sir, what page?
Page 1, chapter 1. Okay, now we switch off the speaker, okay? Now let me repeat again from the beginning. A, E, E, U, Ri, E, I, O, Au, Ang, A. Is that clear? Let me repeat again, okay? Listen it carefully. Listen the pronunciation. Alam dan ka, lo ngai tha chiang ro o. Alam dan, ngai tha chiang tur. Ti tur ni o. O le a in kar ni, hei hi. A, I, I, U, Ri, E, I, O, Au, Ang, A. So that is the pronunciation of the vowels. So if you look at the book, you will see on the right side, look at the right side, matra, the sign of the vowels. So look at the sign, okay? Doesn't have a sign, okay? There is no sign for okay? Sign, so you can see there. E, can you see? Yes. E, U, Ri, E, I, O, Au, Ang, A. Okay? Now, let me write the pronunciation in Roman script, okay? So you get ready with your notebook, okay? After finishing writing, I'll let you see and you'll have to copy it, okay? So get ready for it. Okay, look here, all of you. So this is the Roman script, okay? Can you see? So you copy it, okay? Can you see? Okay, have you finished?
Sir, I finished.
Oh.
Sir, I did finish.
Presenting ti kha lo met to su o. Kha met to su. Can you see?
Thank you, sir.
Have you all finished? Okay. Lo dấu là win lo mím.
No, sir.
Ole. Okay. Next, the same page. So here, along with vowel, the word that is formed from each vowel. So we are going to read out. Okay, all the words. Hetai hian a vowel mga word sang e rồi nên anh nghe nè an inform dan chung te chu kan share don ani o ei antinan English a te po A for apple, B for boy khatiang ang chi kha mo khatiang khan tuna vowel mangin word mo chu chu kan share don ani. Okay, a se amar, amara, amar. Look at your book. Okay, look at the spelling, all of you. A se amara, amar. Okay, I'm going to read out only one word. Okay, a se akasha, akash. A se akash. I se itihasa, itihas. I se itihas. I se isai, isai. Okay, I se isai, isai. U se upakara, upkar. U se upakara, upkar. U se una, un. U se una, un. Ri se ri sa i, risi. Ri se ri sa i, risi. E se e ka ta a, ekta. E se e ka ta a, ekta. E se e na ka, enak. E se e na ka, enak. O se o k l i, okli. O k l i, okli. O se o r t, औरत. O से o r t, औरत. अंग से अंक, अंक. अ से praya. So those are the words that could be formed from each alphabets of the vowels. So let me read again. Okay, listen carefully. A se amar. Ngay thở đầu o. Uluk đậu khan. A se amar. A से आकाश. ई से इतिहास. ई से ईसाई. ऊ से उपकार. ऊ से ऊन. री से ऋषि. ए से एकता. ए से ऐनक. ओ से ओखली. ओ से औरत. अंग से अंक. अ से praya. So those are the words that could be formed from each vowels. So turn to the next page. Page 2. Now here below number 1. Look there. इन शब्दों को पढ़िए और लिखिए. Read these words and इन शब्दों को पढ़िए और लिखिए. Read these words and write it down. Okay. You have to read and you have to write as well. Number 1 is A Ka A Sha. Akash. Clear? A Ka A Sha. Akash. I think it will be better to write. Okay. Write it down. All of you. Get ready with your pen and write it down in your notebook or on a paper. A Ka A Sha. Akash. Okay. Next. Ch A Ta A. Chata. Ch A Ta A. Chata. So write it down. Ch A Ta A. Chata. Okay, next. I Ta I. Ha A Sa. Itihas. I Ta I. Ha A Sa. Itihas. Okay, write it down. Next. I Sa A I. Isai. I Sa A I. Isai. Next. U Pa A Sa Na A. Upasna. U Pa A Sa Na A. Upasna. Ziak zel ro o. A word tinaka zia zel tur. U Pa A Sa Na A. Upasna. Okay, next. Amarita. Amrit. Amarita. Amrit. Rita. Amrit. Okay, next. V I S A L A. Visela. Visela. V I S A L A. Visela.
Sir, can you repeat?
V I S A L A. Visela. Okay, next. O K L E. Oakley. O K L E. Oakley. O K L E. Oakley. Next. औरत. 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 Okay, next. H th o r a. हथौड़ा. ह थ o r a. हथौड़ा. Next. Pra a ya. Praya. Pra a ya. Praya. Pra a ya. Praya. Next. A ta. Ata. A ta. Ata. Kha sung khan ya. Tikhan a chiar dan. Tuna a horob malte te in karon chiar to don lawa. E a word ang topin vai khat karon chiar chuak lang. Oh, let me read out the word, all the words once again, okay? Listen it carefully. Akash, छाता, इतिहास, ईसाई, उपासना, अमृत, विशेला, ओखली, औरत, हथौड़ा, प्राय, अत. Okay. Now let's move on to number 2. So look at page 3. So now you look at page 3, number 2. So this you have to do it by yourself. Okay. Let me tell you first how to do. नीचे लिखे शब्दों में से स्वर और स्वर मात्राएं निकालिए. ओके. नीचे लिखे शब्दों में से स्वर और स्वर मात्राएं निकालिए. So from the words given below, you have to pick out the vowels and its sign. Clear? From the words given below, you have to pick out the vowels and its sign. Okay. Look at number 1. Uh, Look at number 1. Amara. Amar. Okay. Number 1 is Amar. Amar. From here, which one is the vowel from here? Okay. It's not right. Okay. Amar. Amar. From here, only Is there any more vowel? Any more vowels? No, no more. So,
No, sir.
okay. Now you have to write like this. Okay, let me show you. Look here. Like this. Okay. You have to write out the word first, then hyphen, and the vowels which you picked out from there. Okay, from the word. Okay, are you writing? Okay, write it down. Okay, all of you. This exercise is very important. Okay, you have to do it by yourself. Okay, number 2. Look at number 2. Kamal. Kamal. Is there any vowel from the word? Is there any vowel?
No, sir.
No.
No,
So,
sir.
pardon? There is no any vowel. Kamal, Kamal. All are consonants. It's not it. So no need of picking up from there. Kamal. There's no any vowels. Okay, next one. Look at number 3. Bersaat. Bersat. From there, which are the vowels from there? Yes. Is the vowel. Any more? Any more? No. Okay.
No, sir.
Okay. So you have to write like this. Okay. So let me show you again. So is the sign. It's not it. That is not the alphabet. Bar sa a ta. Barsat. So you have to write like this. Okay. Look here. Like this. So can you do the remaining? Can you do all the remaining by yourself?
Yes, sir.
Yes, sir.
Let me tell you. Let me tell you number 4 again. Okay, one more. Let me tell you one more. I. Imli. I. Imli. Okay, pick out vowels from there.
E.
E. Any more?
E.
E sign. It's not it.
E.
Yes. E and E. It's not it. E and E. Okay, look here. Hey, enroll. Ati dan. Hey, heti hian. Patni aumatero. There are 2 vowels. It's not it. There are 2 vowels. So you have to write like this. Okay. E, E, like this. Okay. Next. Da, a, ka, I, ya, a. Dakia. Okay. Pick out vowels from there.
E.
A. First of all, A. Then
E.
E sign. It's not it. E. And any more? A. Okay. The last one. There are 3 vowels from there. Okay. Okay, next. Let's move on to the next one. Upakara. Upkar. Okay, from here, pick out the vowels again. Swar. Which are the swar? Which are the vowels?
U and A.
U and A. U and A. U and A. There are 2 vowels. Okay, next. Pa, sha, u. Pasu. Okay. What are the vowels from there?
A sign and U sign.
Huh? Only one vowel is there from pasu.
U.
Only u. Okay? Only u sign. Okay, next one. U, no, un. Nghe vowel le. The tongue here. Ah, u. Ah, u. Pakhachi omani. Oh, only one vowel is there. U. Mm. Next. Pa, a, la, ta, u. Paltu. Okay. Pick
U.
out again. A, first of all.
A.
A sign.
U.
Or A and U. Two vowels. Okay, next. Ma, a, ta, ri. Matri. Okay, pick out vowels from there.
A and re.
A and ri.
Fine.
Okay.
Re.
A and ri. A and ri. Two vowels.
Are only signs.
Ri sign. Nuaya kom nghêu ang khan này để hiền. Ri sign. Đây. Next. E, cơ, ta, a. Ekta. E. A. Ania. Then, any more? A and A. Two vowels are there. Ta khan. Vowel pani. How many? A le. A ka. Okay, next. Pa, a, sa, a. Pesa. A
And
yes. A and A. Yes, correct. A and A. Next. Bha, o, ja, na. Bhojan.
O.
O. Okay? Only O is the vowel there. Bhojan. O. Okay. Next. Sha, o, cha, a, la, ya. Shauchalai. Shauchalai.
O and A.
O and A. Yes,
A.
correct. O and A. Okay, now the last one. Pa, u, na, puna. From there. U and A. Okay, double dot. Atopa, double dot omaka, kaka, a. Kaka tel tur. Oh. U and A. Okay. Okay, next one. Number 3. Vartani sudh kijiye. Correct the spelling. Correct the spelling. Hey, hichu nakina class le huna class kan lak le huna kan tiang huna to lawa. Still, the time is limited now. So, we shall continue this one in the next class. Okay? Okay, that's all for today's in the class, in the subject. Okay? Thank you.
Thank you, sir.
Thank you, sir.
Thank you, sir.
Thank you, sir. Look.
Very thankful.
Thank you, sir. Bye-bye.
Bye.